Hi class, this is a little introduction as to how to do your Google Calendar assignment this week, specifically how to embed that calendar into your Google Sites pages. So here we are at the beginning. We're on a simple Google homepage, and first of all, I'm going to make sure I'm in my correct account. I have various different accounts, so I'm going to choose the account I created it in, which is in this one. And then I'm just going to double check my calendars that I've created. So I'm going to choose the different set of here. By the way, these icons are chosen by the frequency with which you use them within Google. So you may not see exactly the same order or same icons that I do. I'm going to choose the calendar one. And you can see in here, these are some of the calendars that I have already created. If I open up a calendar by clicking on this little drop down next to it, I can go into calendar settings. I can see a bunch of information about my calendar, including the most important piece, which is here, which is all the embed code, which is how we would embed this particular calendar. Now, this is actually made very, very simple in using Google Sites. Okay, Google integrates both its calendar into its Google Sites. So let me go to my Google site over here, and here's my little dummy model I've made. The first thing I've got to do is create a page for my calendar. Very simple. So I'm going to go to Pages over here, and then I'm going to select to add a new page. Let me select my new page in here. Oops. Back and choose it. Here we go, a new page. We'll call it, just to be really creative, we'll call it Calendar. And we'll add that in. So there's my calendar page. Let me go to my calendar page. Here we go. All right, now, very simply, I want to insert my calendar onto this page. All right, so let me go to my insert. Got a variety of different things in here, and of course there is a Google embed piece here, Google Calendar. Very simple. I can click on my calendar, and it shows the calendars that I had previously created. I'm going to choose one of these home campus calendars, actually my cross-country one. I'll insert it, and there it is. It simply drops it in. I can move it around the screen, depending on where I want to put it. I think I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to resize it. If I click on the calendar, I can actually make it a little wider. I'm going to take up the whole screen here just for fun. And I'm going to make it a little bit longer. You notice on this calendar, I've got some options up here. I've got agenda, I've got month, and I've got week. This one's defaulting to the agenda page and showing me a bunch of the different upcoming events. I can choose to select it, and any user will be able to choose whether they want to view it in the month mode or week mode once they're on your website. Okay, so I'm all set in here. I've got it on my calendar page. Very, very simple. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I've got that in there. All very good. And I'm actually going to publish this one. We can take a look and see what it looks like. Let's take a preview in here. And there's my calendar page. As you can see, it's my agenda view. I can show you what it looks like when I change it to my week view. Here it is as a week. You can see the different events that I've added in there. I can also show it as a more traditional sort of monthly page. Okay. Very simple. And I can also move out of this month page and actually take it into the calendar app itself by clicking right here. That's taking me out of the site, and now it's just showing me the calendar. And this would always be available for any of the users of your particular site. All right, well, that shows you how you can complete that calendar. Very, very simple to embed that into Google Sites. Not surprisingly, Google integrates all of its different pieces in one simple interface. I will show you in a separate video how you will do that into your Wix website. That one's coming up.